anatomy and physiology of eyes. Let's get into the questions. Which structure separate the outer ear from the middle ear? Option A, cochlea. Option B, tympanic membrane. Option C, eustachian tube. Option D, oval window. The right answer is option B, tympanic membrane. The tympanic membrane forms a boundary between outer and middle ear. It vibrates in response to sound waves entering the air canal. These vibrations are then transmitted to the ossicles in the middle ear. It prevents foreign particles and pathogens from entering the middle ear. Tears or perforations can cause hearing loss and infections. This membrane is essential for initiating mechanical transmissions of sounds. Which part of the air contains endolymph fluid? Option A, trochleae and semicircular canals. Option B, tympanic membrane. Option C, external auditory canal. Option D, ossicles. The right answer is cochleae and semicircular canals. Endolymph is a fluid inside the cochlear duct and semicircular canals. It moves in response to vibration or air movement. In the cochleae, it stimulates air cells for hearing. In semicircular canals, it assists in balance and equilibrium. Abnormalities in endolymph can cause vertigo. Proper endolymph function is essential for hearing and medulla. What is the function of air cells in the inner ear? Amplify sound, transmit mechanical vibration to bones, convert mechanical stimuli into electrical signals, equalize air pressure. The right answer is option C, convert mechanical stimuli into electrical signals. Air cells are sensory cells in the cochlear and vestibular system. They have stereocilia that move in response to fluid vibration. This movement generates electrical signals transmitted to the brain. Damage to the air cells result in permanent hearing loss. They are responsible for both hearing and balance reduction. Air cells convert physical energy into nerve impulse the brain can interpret. Which part of the air collects sound waves and directs them into external auditory canal? Option A, tympanic membrane. Option B, pinna or auricle. Option C, cochlea. Option D, malleus. The right answer is option B, pinna auricle. The pinna or auricle is a visible part of the outer ear. Its main job is to gather sound from the environment and funnel them into external auditory canal. The unique curves and drifts of the pinna helps in determining the direction of sound, especially whether it comes from above or below. The structure is made up of elastic cartilage covered by skin, giving it both flexibility and shape. Without the pinna, our ability to localize sound source would greatly reduced. The functions of the eustachian tube is to transmit sound waves to cochlea, equalize air pressure between the middle ear and atmosphere, protect the air from loud noise, produce air bubbles. The right answer is option B, equalize air pressure between the middle ear and atmosphere. Eustachian tube connects the middle ear to the nasopharynx, helping to equalize air pressure on both sides of the tympanic membrane. This pressure balance is vital for proper vibration of the eardrum. When the tube is blocked, such as during a cold or sinus infection, pressure difference can cause ear pain or muffled hearing. Swallowing or yawning opens the eustachian tube momentarily, restoring equilibrium. Proper function prevents paratrauma during altitude change such as during airplane travel. The structure of the inner ear is primarily responsible for detecting rotational movement. Option A, cochlea. Option B, vestibule. Option C, semicircular canals. Option D, tympanic membrane. The right answer is semicircular canals. Semicircular canals are three loop-shaped structures in the inner ear, positioned at right angles to each other. They detect rotational or angular movements of the ear. Each canal contains a fluid called endolymph and sensory receptor known as Pistor and Volaris, which responds to motion. When you turn your head, the fluid moves, stimulating axons that sends nerve signals to the brain for balance and coordination. The system works closed with eyes and appropriates to maintain equilibrium. The tympanic membrane separates these two parts of the air. Option A, outer ear and inner ear. Option B, middle ear. Option C, outer ear and middle ear. Option D, cochlear and semicircular canals. The right answer is option C, outer ear and middle ear. The tympanic membrane or eardrum acts as a boundary between the outer and middle ear. It vibrates when struck by sound waves, converting them into mechanical energy. These vibrations move through the ossicles, amplifying the sound. A healthy tympanic membrane ensures accurate sound transmission. The extraction tube connects the middle ear to which structure? Option A, cochlear. Option B, nasopharynx. Option C, inner ear. Option D, external ear. The right answer is option B, nasopharynx. The extraction tube helps equalize air pressure between the middle ear and the outside atmosphere by connecting to the nasopharynx. It opens during swallowing or yawning. Proper pressure equalization allows the air dam to vibrate freely and prevents discomfort during altitude change. What are the primary functions of cochlear? Option A, balance. Option B, air pressure regulation. Option C, hearing. Option D, sound collection. The right answer is option C, hearing. Cochlea is a spiral-shaped fluid-filled structure in the inner ear. It transforms mechanical vibration into nerve impulse via specialized sensory cells called hair cells. These impulses are sent to the auditory cortex through cochlear nerve, enabling sound perception. Which structure produces cerumen or airbags? Ceremonous gland, sebaceous gland, sweat glands, parotid glands. The right answer is ceremonous gland. Ceremonous glands are specialized sweat glands located in the skin of the external auditory canal. They produce cerumen or airbags which protect the air by trapping dust, debris, and microorganisms. It also lubricates the canal and prevents infection by maintaining slightly acidic environment. Which nerve transmits auditory information to the brain? Option A, facial nerve. Option B, vestibulocochlear nerve. Option C, trigeminal nerve. Option D, glossopharyngeal nerve. The right answer is vestibulocochlear nerve. The vestibulocochlear nerve, cranial nerve 8, carries both auditory and balance information from inner ear to the brain. The cochlear branch transmits sound signal from the copula, while the vestibular branch carries balance signal from the semicircular canals and vestibule. What is the function of air cells in the copula? Equalize pressure, detect sound vibration, produce endolem product from loud voice. The right answer is detect sound vibration. Air cells are specialized sensory receptors that convert mechanical vibration into electrical signals. When fluid movements bend the stereocilia on the cell's ion channel open, generating nerve impulse that encode sound-like information. The smallest bone in the human body is option A, malleus, option B, incus, option C, stapes, option D, cochlear. The right answer is option C, stapes. Located in the middle ear in the tiniest bone in the body, it measures only about 3 mm in length and transmits sound vibration from incus to the vowel window, initiating fluid motion in the cochlea. Which window of the cochlea is connected to these tapes? Option A, round window. Option B, oval window. Option C, vestibular window. Option C, cochlear window. The right answer is option B, oval window. The strips footplate fit into the vowel window, transmitting mechanical vibration from the middle ear into the fluid-filled cochlea. This motion starts the wave movement through pedilum that stimulates hearing receptors. Damage to the air cells in the cochleae leads to conductive hearing loss. B. Semi sensory neural hearing loss. Option C. otitis media. Option D. tinnitus only. The right answer is option B. Sensor sensorineural hearing loss. Explanation. Sensory neural hearing loss occurs when cochlear hair loss or auditory nerve are damaged. Causes include aging, loud noise exposure, ototoxic drugs. Unlike conductive loss, this type is usually permanent due to limited air cells impression. Conductive hearing loss results from option A damage to cochlea, option B obstruction of the hair canal or ossicles dysfunction, option C brain injury. The right answer is option B obstruction of the air canal or optical dysfunction. Explanation. Conductive hearing loss occurs when sound transmission is blocked in the outer or middle ear due to wax buildup, fluid, perforated eardrum, or optical fixation. It prevents efficient vibration transfer to the inner ear. This structure in the air acts as a mechanical amplifier for sound. Option A ossicles, option B cochleae, option B pinna, option D Eustachian tube. The right answer is option A ossicles. The ossicles malleus in the shapes amplify vibration by converting large air movements into smaller. Forceful motion at the oval window. This enhances sound energy transfer into the fluid filled calculate. What is the main functions of the middle layer? Option A detect balance, option B amplify and transmit sound, option C produce sound waves, option D sense head movement. The right answer is amplify and transmit sound. Explanation. The middle air bridges the air-filled outer hair and the fluid-filled inner hair. Through the ossicles movement, it amplifies weak sound vibration, ensuring efficient energy transfer to the cochlear. Which part of the head continues working even when you are asleep? Option A, cochlear. Option B, tympanic membrane. Option C, Eustachian tube. Option D, pinna. The right answer is option A, cochlear. Even when you sleep, your hairs remain active, continuing to detect sounds around you. The cochlear and auditory nerves still send signals, but your brain filters them out. This helps you stay alert to important noises like alarms or danger while resting peacefully. The hairwork serves its primarily purpose to block hearing, to trap dust and bacteria, to transmit sound, to amplify vibration. The right answer is option B to trap dust and bacteria. The hairworks are serum and protects hair by catching dust, dirt, and harmful microbes. It helps. It also moisturizes the hair canal to prevent dryness and infection. Contrary to the popular belief, it's sign of healthy hair function or not good. Why do older people often appear to have larger ears? Option A, hair cartilage grow with age. Option B, hairs swell with temperature. Option C, hair wax accumulates. Option D, bones inside the hair expand. The right answer is option A, our cartilage grows with age. Hairs and nose continues to grow slowly throughout the life because cartilage and skin over time. Gravity and loss of elasticity cause this gradual change. That's why ears seem bigger in older adults. The average human can hear sounds between 2 hits to 2000 hits, 20 hits to 20,000 hits, 200 hits to 2 lakhs hits, 2 hits to 20 lakhs hits. The right answer is option B, 2 hits to 20,000 hits. Human ear frequency from very low 20 hits to very high 20,000 hits. Deep bass notes fall near 20 hits, while high pitched peaks are closer to 20,000 hits. With age, the upper limit decreases naturally. Hearing damage can occur after exposure to sound above option A 50 decibel, option B 70 decibel, option C 85 decibel, Option D, 120 decibel. The right answer is option C, 85 decibel. The sound waves above 85 decibel, like heavy traffic or loud music, can harm the hair cells in your cochlear. Prolonged exposure without the protection cause irreversible hearing damage. Always use ear protection in noisy environment. Which tiny muscles protect your hair from loud noises? Option A, tensor tympani. Option B, stapedius. Option D, ocular muscle. Option D, eustachian muscle. The right answer is option B, stapedius. The stapedius muscle, the smallest muscle in the human body, contract reflexively during loud noise. This action reduces intensity of vibration reaching the inner ear, protecting against potential hearing damage.